Hey everybody, I hope class was going well for you so far. I just created this video to help you figure out how to add and follow your classmates' blogs using Feedly. So hopefully you can get to this point. This is what the screen looks like when you first sign in or you first sign up. There won't be any feeds or information on here. If you are having any problems getting signed up for an account, just let me know via your communication method of choice, and I will see what I can do to give you a hand. All right, so on this one, I've got two tabs open. I've got the Feedly open, and then I also have our links, our list of Twitter and blog addresses for our class. So yours might look a little bit different if I've updated it. This was pretty early on. So right click, that'll give you some options here, and you want to copy the address. If you left click, it might just open in a browser. That's why I say right click on it. Then go back over to Feedly, and all you have to do is right click again and paste, and it should pull up the name. So my blog, as you guys probably know by now, is called Techno Tom. Just click that, and then you'll want to click follow, and it'll ask you to create a new feed. Click right here where it says new feed, and I'm going to call mine class blogs, and you can call yours whatever you want, and I'll go ahead and click create. Repeat that for the rest of the blogs. Again, we're going to look at Dane's here, copy his, and X that out so it cleared the search bar up there. Again, right click and paste, and it pulls him up. Notice that there's a standard feed and a comments feed. You want to make sure and just do that top one. That is the feed that's going to show you the different articles. Click on that, follow, class blogs. Okay. Now if you look over here in class blogs, I've got Dane's, I've got mine, and we'll just keep going through here. I'm going to do one more just to keep this video short. I'm not going to go through all of them on the video. I will follow everybody, but I just don't have to show you on the video. Right click. Nope, that was the wrong thing. Paste. And Miss Ashley's. And we're going to follow that one and add it to class blogs. Okay. Pretty confident you guys can figure out how to add the rest and keep doing that over and over again. But let me show you what this is going to look like. So kind of the cool thing is it's going to combine all of the blogs together if you just click the feed, and so you can look for the ones that sound really interesting to you, because you are going to have to comment on these. Let's say I like that picture from Miss Ashley's, and you can actually read the blog right in the Feedly. And in order to make comments, which you are going to have to make, you will have to click visit website. So you might just get in the habit of clicking the visit website so that you can come down to the bottom and leave a comment. To get out of that, you'll want to just click X, because that's kind of a pop-up almost. If you just want to look at specific students or my blog, you can click on their name and their thumbnail there over on the left, and it limits it all to just those. It does keep track of which ones you've read and which ones you haven't read. So play around with it a bit. Like I've said before, I'm learning a lot of this right along with you guys. I've used similar tools. I've never used Feedly specifically, but I like it so far. And I think it's going to be kind of a fun way to be able to keep track and see what everybody's posting. All right. So as always, if you have any questions at all, please send me an email, text message, phone call, video call, Twitter. Wow, we've got a lot of things to choose from. Make a comment on my blog, why not? But I will see you all next time. Thank you.